Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert, the channel where we explore the machines that changed history. Today, we're traveling back over a century to uncover the incredible story of the Ford Model T, a vehicle that didn't just revolutionize the automobile industry but transformed the way people lived, worked, and dreamed. The vision behind the Model T. When the Model T debuted in 1908, Henry Ford had one goal in mind: to make a dependable, affordable automobile for the everyday person. At the time, cars were expensive status symbols owned only by the wealthy. The Model T broke down that wall, offering a simple, rugged, and cost-effective solution that put millions behind the wheel for the first time. Engineered for the real world. The Model T was powered by a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine producing about 20 horsepower, enough to reach speeds of 40 to 45 miles per hour. This might sound modest today, but it was more than capable for the rough, often muddy roads of early 20th century America. Its high ground clearance, sturdy steel chassis, and leaf spring suspension made it a dependable companion in both cities and rural farmland. Owners could even perform most repairs themselves with basic tools, a key advantage in an era without roadside assistance. The assembly line revolution. Perhaps the Model T's greatest contribution wasn't just its design but how it was built. In 1913, Ford introduced the moving assembly line, a groundbreaking production method that slashed manufacturing time from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes per car. This leap in efficiency dramatically reduced costs, from $850 in the early years to less than $300 at its most affordable. Suddenly, car ownership was no longer a privilege, it was a possibility for working-class families across America. More than just transportation. The Model T transformed society itself. Farmers could transport goods to market faster, workers could commute from greater distances, and families could take weekend trips far beyond their hometowns. Known affectionately as the Tin Lizzie, it became a symbol of independence, mobility, and progress. By 1927, more than 15 million Model Ts had been produced, making it one of the best-selling cars in history for decades. Adaptation and the end of an era. As the 1920s rolled on, the competition grew stronger. Consumers began demanding more style, comfort, and modern features. The Model T, with its practical but aging design, struggled to keep up. In 1927, Ford officially ended its production, replacing it with the more modern Model A. But by then, the Model T's influence was already etched into history. A lasting legacy. The Ford Model T was more than a machine, it was a movement. It proved that technology could be both advanced and accessible, and it showed the world the power of mass production. Even today, the Model T's